Onílé ọkọ yá, ilé ọkọ yá, ẹlẹ́dàá bàbá rẹ̀ sílẹ̀ lọ ilé ọkọ yá. Daddy, I want you to pray for your son. Mommy, please do pray for your son as well. That their marriage shall be a blessing.
Hi, my name is Fisayo, and I'm sister to the groom actually. Growing up, it was very nice. He was a big brother to me. Well, he's still a big brother to me. He's very protective, and he loves everybody around him. Like, he's very generous, he's kind. So I wish them all the best in their marriage. I wish them joy, happiness, peace for the rest of their lives.
Hi, my name is Desiree. I'm friends with the bride, Tope. I met Tope in Canada about 5-6 years ago in an Uber pool, and ever since we've been sister friends. So I'm super excited for her journey, this new chapter of her life, and I wish her and Femi nothing but the best.
Hi, my name is Francine, and I'm friends with Tope. I've been friends with her for 20 years. We met on the first day of secondary school. I'm also her favourite friend, and I wish the bride and groom a long-lasting, godly, happy, loving marriage.
I just want to say congratulations to you both. I know I've been there from the start, and I'm so happy that you guys have finally come to this day. I wish you nothing but the best, and may God protect your marriage with peace, love.
My name is Mel. I'm friends with Tope, friends with the bride. What I love about her is her ability to bring people together and her love for adventure. My wish for them is that they continue to have a love for adventure and travel together with them, not just each other, but their family, their children, and many years of happiness and love.